Welcome. In front of me I have LG LED Smart TV, and today I'll show you how you can update firmware. So at the first you have to tap on the settings on your remote control. Next you have to navigate with arrows and go for the general settings. Then click OK. Tap on the right arrow, and we have to scroll down until you find the About This TV. So to enter, click OK. And to update the firmware, you have to simply use right arrow, then go for the check for the updates, click OK. And as you can see right now, we are ready to download and install new update. So we have to go for the install and click OK. And here we got the progress bar, so we have to simply wait for it. And as you can see right now, a new update was installed. So right now when we restart the TV, the update will be applied. So just let's make it. You have to simply tap on the power button on your remote control and just tap on it another time to turn it on back. Okay, and as you can see, the update is finished, so we can simply go back and enjoy our TV. So, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.